Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures. The snowy bedroom and bathroom are gorgeous. Everything is sparkling and glittering. Let's see how it's done. We start with a silver corner made of foam paper. We place a sparkling blue sideboard and decorate it with crystals, frosty braid, and crystal flowers. We finish the walls with silver tiles. We make the blue foam shelves from the foam paper and fasten them in the corner. We make a shower with a flower at the end from a straw with a corrugation. We add bottles of shampoo. The pink sponge is made of felt. We cut off a thick straw, make a bottom, level it, fill it with glitter, and glue it. We paint a rod of a cotton swab and make a cork for bottles out of it. We add stickers. The miniature shower gel is done! We cut off the tube, clamp the end, and seal it. We fill it with gel, mix it, and close it with a drop of glue. We make a pink lid and attach it to the tube. We paste a photo of Elsa. Wonderful! We collect a piece of blue tulle on a wire. We put the beads on the edges, bend the wire with an arc, and fasten the shower curtain. We made a lovely shower room, don't you agree? We make an elegant table from styrofoam with foam paper and decorate it with silver rhinestones. We carefully cut off the top of the bubble, cover with varnish, add rhinestones. The sink is done! We cut off half of the ampule and make it a bottom. We align everything and cut off the spout. We fill it with gel and glitter and mix it. We glue the dispenser and the sticker. It works great! We place a mirror in the frame above the table. We put gel, toothbrushes, paste, and a soap dish with a fragrant soap on the table. We bend the ends of the wire, put on the beads, and connect them to the wall. We decorate the towel and fasten it near the sink. We assemble a lilac panel made of styrofoam, foam paper, and rhinestones, and attach curly shelves. We twist the toilet paper rolls, we put a pink towel, we make a cup from a tube and scotch tape, decorate it, and put fluffy flowers from paper clips and pom-poms in it. We assemble a miniature toilet from foam parts. We glue it with blue foam paper with polka dots. We fix the lid on the wire. We generously decorate it with rhinestones and a sticker with Olaf. We add decor along the top of the room, a wide border, and favorite pictures. We cut off the plastic cup, glue it with blue tape, and add rhinestones. We carefully cut out the candy mold, paint it with varnish, and glue the handle in the form of a heart and rhinestones. We put the bucket and attach the paper holder. We make lilac shelving with curly shelves and decorate it with rhinestones. We assemble miniature bottles of colorful beads. Very beautiful! We put a rack, place fragrant toilet water, towels, and bright sponges on the shelves. From the sparkling foam paper, we make a delightful rug in a form of a large snowflake. We add a curly partition. We place doll slates. What a wonderful bedroom and bathroom made in the Frozen style! The miniature furniture and things are very realistic, just like real ones. This is the design of Elsa and Anna. There is everything that beautiful Barbie needs.